What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars with virtual properties? Sounds crazy, right? But in today's digital age, the opportunities are endless and more accessible than ever before. It's not as crazy as you think. Virtual real estate is booming. Just like physical real estate, virtual properties are becoming highly sought after. It's like the Wild West, but instead of cowboys and saloons, it's pixels and profits. Imagine staking your claim in a new frontier, but this time it's all online. Are you ready to become a virtual real estate tycoon? The potential for growth and profit is immense, and it's only getting bigger. Let's break it down so even your dog can understand. Virtual real estate involves buying, selling, and even renting out digital spaces. We're talking about buying and selling land in online worlds like video games or virtual reality platforms. These platforms are becoming more sophisticated and popular. Think of it like owning a piece of the internet where people can hang out, play games, and even build businesses. You can create virtual stores, entertainment venues, or even residential areas. This isn't just some fad, it's the future. As technology advances, the line between the virtual and real world continues to blur. More and more people are spending time online, and that means there's serious money to be made in virtual real estate. The demand for virtual spaces is skyrocketing. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of virtual real estate and show you how to turn your digital dreams into cold, hard cash. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities and start your journey to virtual riches today. Imagine your favorite video game. Now imagine owning a piece of that game world. That's virtual real estate. It's like digital land that you can buy, sell, or rent out, just like real estate in the real world. These virtual worlds are becoming more and more popular. People are spending hours there, socializing, playing games, and even working. And just like in the real world, they need somewhere to live, work, and play. That's where you come in. You can buy a plot of virtual land, build a house, a store, or even an amusement park. You're only limited by your imagination. And the best part, you can make real money from your virtual investments. Think about it. People are willing to spend real money on virtual items all the time. They buy clothes for their online avatars, tools for their virtual farms, and even furniture for their digital homes. Now imagine owning the land where all of this is happening. You can charge rent to people who want to set up shop on your virtual property. You can sell advertising space to businesses looking to reach a captive audience. You can even host events and charge people for admission. The possibilities are endless. The demand for virtual real estate is only going to increase as more and more people join these online worlds. This means your investment has the potential to grow exponentially over time. You could be sitting on a gold mine. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved. You need to be smart and do your research thoroughly before you start throwing your money around. The value of virtual real estate can fluctuate, just like real estate in the physical world. New online worlds are popping up all the time, and some might not be as successful as others. You need to be careful not to invest in a virtual ghost town. Also, be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes. There are always people looking to take advantage of others, especially in the online world. Do your due diligence, ask questions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So how do you separate the virtual wheat from the chaff? How do you pick a winner? Well, it's all about location, location, location. Just like in the real world, the most valuable virtual properties are in high traffic areas. Think about it. Would you rather own a shop on a busy street corner or in the middle of nowhere? The same logic applies to virtual real estate. Look for properties near popular gaming areas, event spaces, or transportation hubs. The more foot traffic you have, the more valuable your property becomes. Another key factor is scarcity. Just like in the real world, limited supply drives up demand. Some virtual worlds have a fixed amount of land, making it a finite resource. The earlier you get in, the better your chances of snagging a prime piece of virtual real estate. Sound familiar? That's because the basic principles of investing apply to virtual real estate as well. The goal is to buy low and sell high, just like in the stock market or with physical real estate. Look for undervalued properties in up-and-coming areas. Maybe there's a new game launching soon or a virtual world that's gaining popularity. Get in early before everyone else catches on and watch your investment grow steadily. Remember, patience is key. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Treat this like a long-term investment. As the virtual world grows and more people join, the value of your property will increase. It's as simple as that. We've said it before and we'll say it again. Location is everything. Whether you're in the real world or the virtual one, the importance of location cannot be overstated. But what makes a good location in the virtual world? It's not just about where you are, but also about what surrounds you and how easily you can get to other places. First, proximity to popular areas. These are the places where people gather, socialize, and engage in various activities. Think about where people like to hang out in your favorite online game. Is it the bustling town square where everyone meets up? Or perhaps the trading post where all the best deals are made? Maybe it's the entrance to a challenging dungeon where adventurers gather. Properties near these hotspots are always in high demand. Second, accessibility. How easy is it to get to and from your property? Just like in the real world, easy access to transportation hubs like teleportation points or virtual train stations can make your property more desirable. The easier it is to travel, the more attractive your location becomes. Think about it. Would you rather walk for miles or take a quick teleport to your destination? Convenience is key in both worlds. Finally, consider the view. Yet, even in the virtual world, a stunning vista can add value to your property. A beautiful view can enhance your experience and make your virtual home feel more special. Imagine owning a beachfront property overlooking a digital ocean. The serene waves and the endless horizon can be incredibly appealing. Or a mountaintop retreat with panoramic views that take your breath away. These properties will always be in high demand, offering a unique and immersive experience. Time is money. Early bird gets the virtual worm. Remember the early days of the internet? It was a time of dial-up connections, slow loading pages, and the excitement of exploring a new digital frontier. Back then, nobody thought much of website domain names. They were just addresses to get to a website, not the valuable assets they are today. Now some of those domains are worth millions. People who had the foresight to register simple, memorable names are now sitting on digital gold mines. The same thing is happening with virtual real estate. Just like the early internet, virtual worlds are the new frontier. The earlier you get in on a promising virtual world, the better your chances of snagging a prime piece of digital real estate at a bargain price. Early adopters often reap the biggest rewards. As the platform grows in popularity, so will the value of your property. Just like in the real world, location and timing are everything. It's like investing in Apple stock back when it was just a couple of guys tinkering in a garage. Those who saw the potential early on are now reaping the benefits. Of course, not every virtual world will be a winner. Some will fade away while others will thrive and grow. That's why it's important to do your research and choose wisely. Look into the platform's history, its user base, and its development team. Look for platforms with a strong community, active development, and regular updates. These are indicators of a platform that is here to stay, and a clear roadmap for the future. A well-defined plan shows that the developers are committed to long-term growth and success. These are the signs of a healthy and growing virtual ecosystem. Investing in such platforms can be a smart move for the future. Don't put all your eggs in one virtual basket. Diversification is key to any successful investment strategy, and virtual real estate is no exception. Just like you wouldn't put all your money into a single stock, you shouldn't put all your virtual assets in one world. Spread your investments across multiple platforms to minimize your risk. This way, even if one virtual world experiences a downturn, your other investments can cushion the blow. Think of it like having a safety net for your virtual portfolio. Explore different types of virtual properties as well. Don't limit yourself to just buying and selling land. Consider investing in virtual businesses, renting out virtual apartments, or even becoming a virtual landlord. The more diverse your portfolio, the more stable your virtual real estate empire will be. The future is virtual. Get ready to cash in. The world is changing. More and more people are spending time in virtual spaces. This is the future, and virtual real estate is at the forefront of this digital revolution. Just like the internet transformed the way we communicate, shop, and consume information, virtual worlds are poised to revolutionize the way we work, play, and socialize. And as these virtual spaces become more integrated into our lives, the value of virtual real estate will only continue to soar. Don't get left behind. Now is the time to educate yourself about this exciting new asset class and start building your virtual real estate empire. The future is virtual, and the opportunities are limitless. Ready to unlock your financial freedom? Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it a reality. Virtual real estate offers a unique opportunity to build wealth in the digital age. With a little bit of knowledge, a dash of courage, and a sprinkle of luck, you too can become a virtual real estate mogul. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other ways to achieve financial freedom, from investing in the stock market to starting your own business. The key is to take action, educate yourself, and never stop learning. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the exciting world of virtual real estate and unlock your financial future today.